Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone for beginners available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone for beginners, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Holystone HS720E 4K Drone. The Holystone HS720E drone with camera 4K has completed the FAR requirement. You can now obtain the Holystone remoted module to ensure compliance. Reach out to the Holystone customer support team for assistance with any remote ID module inquiries. HS720E GPS drone boasts a cutting-edge 4K 3840 by 2160 camera with electric image stabilization, IS technology, ensuring crystal clear videos free from blurring. Equipped with an advanced Sony sensor, the HS720E drones with camera for adults 4K elevates image quality to unmatched levels, outperforming others in its class. Experience stable flight, thanks to the integrated air optical flow and air pressure altitude control system. With GPS location and auto return to home functionality, you can explore with confidence, knowing your HS720E FPV drone will always find its way back to you. Elevate your airborne adventures with our Fly More kit, providing a total flight time of 46 minutes with 2 intelligent batteries. Spend more time soaring and less time recharging. The included carrying bag adds convenience, making it a breeze to transport and store your HS720E 4K drone when not in use. Elevate your videography and photography with innovative flight modes such as Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. Watch your HS720E mini drone with camera effortlessly navigate while you focus on capturing stunning shots and videos. Number 2. WeFone WF31 GPS 4K FPV Foldable Drone. This drone is equipped with a high-definition 4K camera, capturing stunning photos and videos with high quality and frame rates. The 100 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustable provide a broader and clearer field of view. Drone supports 5 GHz FPV transmission for smooth HD live streaming, capturing unforgettable moments in the sky and providing you with a more exciting flying experience of drone. This drone with camera for adults 4K is equipped with precise GPS positioning, ensuring accurate and stable flight. When you press the return to home button of the drone, or when the drone's battery is low or the signal is lost, this GPS drone will automatically return to the takeoff point, ensuring you won't easily lose your FPV drone. Features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest provide you with a professional-grade flying experience. This drone's for adults is equipped with optical flow positioning, which helps achieve more precise and stable hovering when GPS signals are lost or weak. Additionally, this 4K drone supports speed adjustment to let the drone beginners or kids control it easily. This drone with camera 4K is easy to operate, beginner-friendly. This RC drone comes with 2 enhanced batteries that provide up to 50 minutes of flight time, to 25 minutes. Drones' low power consumption brushless motors deliver a more powerful and quieter flying experience. Weighing less than 250 grams, no FAR or remote ID registration is required. The drone with camera for adult 4K comes with a portable bag, allowing you to easily carry this GPS 4K drone for camping, photography, and other outdoor activities, capturing all the wonderful moments. If you have any questions about the mini drone with camera, please feel free to contact our drone support team, and we will resolve it for you within 24 hours. Number 3. Xiaomi Mijia M6 Drone. Front, back, left and right with 4-sided intelligent obstacle avoidance. After turning on the obstacle avoidance function, it will automatically avoid obstacles when encountering them. With optical flow positioning, hovering and altitude holding mode functions, the flight is stable. Dual cameras, freely switchable, horizontal/vertical/overhead shooting in headless mode, There is no need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. Built-in high-definition remote control camera that can be adjusted up and down. Surprisingly, it can capture amazing pictures and videos from the sky. With Wi-Fi function, it can connect to applications and APK systems, and take photos, videos, and transmit in real time through mobile phone camera images. Draw a flight path on the screen, and the drone will fly autonomously along the specified path. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology. 4 channels, can rise, fall, forward, backward, fly left, and fly right. Brushless motor, 6-axis gyroscope, smoother flight and more convenient control. Upgraded remote control with screen control, support real-time image transmission of aerial photography, equipped with memory card and card reader. The fuselage has a real-time power display screen. Up, down, forward, backward, left, right turn, lateral flight, headless mode, optical flow positioning, hovering, electric dual camera, 4-sided obstacle avoidance, 360-degree roll, altitude hold mode, Wi-Fi FPV, with screen control, remote control, fuselage power display. Number 4. WeFone WF30 GPS drones. This 4K drone is equipped with a 90 degrees electrically adjustable camera and a 117 degrees wide-angle lens, enabling effortless adjustment of the camera angle for enhanced perspectives, and capturing wider landscapes. 5G Wi-Fi real-time transmission allows for real-time viewing and sharing of exciting moments. The GPS drone with camera for adults supports low battery, weak signal, and one-key return functions, allowing it to quickly and reliably return to the takeoff point. Follow Me mode, waypoint flight, and point of interest features enable users to easily set the drone's flight path and shooting direction. Additionally, one-key takeoff, landing, headless mode, and speed switching functions make it easy for beginners and kids to control this drone with camera for adults. 4K, offering an exciting flying experience. This drone with camera for adults 4K is equipped with 2 rechargeable modular batteries, extending the flight time to 40 minutes, 20 minutes per battery. The drone with camera uses powerful brushless motors for smoother flight, faster speeds, lower noise, and longer lifespan compared to traditional motors. This will be the best camera drone for adults and beginners and kids. This drone with camera for adults is equipped with an upgraded hovering system and optical flow positioning technology, ensuring stable hovering in the air and providing users with an excellent drone flying experience. This 4K camera drone is an ideal choice for capturing stunning shots at any time. The WF30 drone with camera 4K features a lightweight design, weighing less than 249 grams, and does not require FAR or remote ID registration. The drone's foldable design and portable carrying case make it convenient to take the GPS drone outdoor. Number 5. TD12 Pro 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV drone. Keep the drone in the air and easily adjust the camera angle just by using the remote control, so you don't miss every special viewpoint and capture clear and detailed moments. Tens of thousands of tests have been performed to provide customers with a more powerful, stable and quieter flight experience. The motors rotate at 10,000 revolutions per minute and provide strong power, speed and power, as well as a longer life and reduced maintenance costs. The TD12 Pro features 3 adjustable flight speeds and a level 3 wind resistance at the highest speed, allowing for smooth flight maneuvers in windy weather conditions. Get ready for an exciting flying adventure like no other. The TD12 Pro measures only 13 by 7.5 by 6 centimeters when folded for traveling adventures and storage. The modular battery design allows for quick and easy battery replacement for longer flight times. Each motor arm of the TD12 Pro mini drone comes with a propeller protector, so you no longer have to worry about bumps or scratches, protecting the drone and its surroundings. TD12 Pro RC drone offers user-friendly design and multi-functions, 3 speeds, headless mode, 1-button start, Landing, optical flow positioning function make the drone easier to control. 360 degrees flip, trajectory flight, gravity control and other functions bring endless flying fun. From easy control to intelligent flight modes, this drone with camera is ideal for anyone who wants to explore the world of drone flight.